Information governance is about three things. It's about reducing costs, managing or minimizing risks, and optimizing the value of information. And I think CIOs have to look at information governance through the prism of those three principles. How do you use information? How do I optimize the value of information? How can we use analytics, reporting tools to grab that data and make sense of it, to unlock its value in support of predictive insights and better business intelligence going forward?
You can build in a lot of automation to where the end user, the customer, doesn't really have to know what the rule is. They're following it just by using a certain software. Mm-hmm. And that's great. So you can automate a lot of that. I see a lot of DMS systems, even capture systems, automating a lot of things that do that. But I also see people, I think that's what makes people not quite understand what the rules are and how to move forward, because they're so used to the software doing it for them.
We need to look at it more from a perspective of how can information governance be part of the core value proposition of any solution, whether you're looking at a CRM solution or you look at a ERP solution or a DMS solution that has sensitive information. It should be a core tenet of all solutions that are available. Enforcement or that implementation of that information governance should be worth a premium for us as enterprise customers to have it across all of our solutions. And it's a given, it's not something that we have to consider as an afterthought.
So I think that the approach is to go after that soft and hard dollar savings that record management brings you, and do record management governance at the same time. If you could say that that today you're carrying more data than you need to, and there's a cost associated with that, and you can free up hard dollar savings. You can take existing infrastructure and pull data off of it, destroy that data, and it's time to do so.
The optimizing the value, that's really what I think is new for ECM today. But we're paving our way into this right now. But I think going forward, we're going to see that these technologies are going to enable customers to have information governance in a very, very broad term, and it's going to be supporting key areas like risk management, e-discovery, compliance, predictive insights, and better business intelligence.
You have to come up with the business cases for how this can empower your staff to improve collaboration, how this can improve engagement with your customers, how you can provide more insights from the information as a benefit of these things. And I think we have to be very focused in the next few years to come up with those use cases from our community and share them. Because the way the term is being used now, if you're not careful, this could be the KM term of this decade.
I think when people think about governance, one of the things that has to change is that they have to view this from the perspective of the huge abundance and variety and location of information. We've got to have a different kind of discussion about governance that doesn't start with that paper mindset. It starts with a digital mindset and thinks about what do we really have to control. Why do we have to control it? What's the risk of not controlling it? What's the value of getting it under control? And raise that bar.